Question 1. ds. In the x minus y coordinate plane, the line with the equation a times x plus b times y equals c, a times b times c is not equal to 0, has an x-intercept of 3 over 4 and 0. What is the value of a? Condition 1. b equals 8. Condition 2. c equals 4. Solution. Now we will solve this ds question using the variable approach. Cases where the answer is b after modification. We will now look into the cases where the answer is b after following the first step of the variable approach to modify and recheck the original condition and the question to suit the type of information given in the conditions. The first step of the variable approach. Modify the original condition and the question to suit the type of information given in the conditions. We have to find the value of a if the line with the equation a times x plus b times y equals c, a times b times c is not equal to 0, has an x-intercept of 3 over 4 and 0. Let's modify the question into an equation. Substitute the x-intercept into the equation of the line, because this point is on the line and should satisfy the equation a times x plus b times y equals c. Then we get a times 3 over 4 plus b times 0 equals c. 3 times a over 4 equals c. That is, 3 times a equals 4 times c. We have to know the value of c to find the value of a, since 3 times a equals 4 times c. Moreover, we have to apply CMT too, as we are looking for a unique value of a. Let's look at condition 2, which gives us what we are looking for, that is, c equals 4. So, substituting c equals 4 and 3 times a equals 4 times c, we get 3 times a is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16, or a equals 16 over 3. The answer is unique, so the condition is sufficient by CMT 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. B is the correct answer because condition 2 gives us what we need to solve the question. Condition 1 tells us that b equals 8. But we do not know the value of a or c, so we will not get a unique value. So the condition is not sufficient by CMT 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 alone is sufficient. So, B is the correct answer. Answer B. In about 30% of cases, just completing the first step of the variable approach will get you to the correct answer. Here, we modified the original condition in an equation and found that we simply had to find the value of c. Consequently, a difficult and tricky question became an easy one.